Hello, I'm Martin Smith and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today we'll cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. The euro declined versus the US dollar for the first time in 3 weeks as indications of slowing global economic growth increased concern about the European sovereign debt crisis, weakening demand for riskier assets. The euro fell after Germany's economics minister reported that the outlook for increased growth was fading and the financial crisis that started in Greece almost 3 years ago has spread. Economists in the European Central Bank survey lowered their 2013 growth forecast to 0.6% from 1%. During the past week, the currency increased after the ECB Mario Draghi reported that officials are working on a plan to purchase government bonds to manage the crisis and that details will be released in the coming weeks. The euro was last trading at the level of 122.87 against the US dollar, a decrease of minus 0.14%. The Canadian dollar fell versus the US dollar for the first time in 6 days, breaking its longest winning streak since December as payrolls unexpectedly lost 30,400 jobs last July. The currency gained for a 5th consecutive week versus its US counterpart on speculation that growth will be sustained even after the economy lost jobs last July. The Governor of the Bank of Canada, Mark Carney, said that economic growth could lead to higher interest rates. The Canadian dollar was last seen trading at the level of 0.9908 against the US dollar, which is a decrease of 0.01%. The British pound increased against the greenback after weakening previously on a report indicating that UK producer prices stalled last month. The Governor of the Bank of England, Mervyn King, lowered expectations about a pending rate cut, arguing that this could cause harm to certain financial institutions. The British pound was trading at the level of 156.85 last Friday, an increase of 0.31%. Gold traders are bullish on increasing speculation that central banks will need to do more to bolster economic growth. Gold was last trading at $1,619 an ounce, an increase of 0.19%. Crude oil declined as China's export growth slowed and the International Energy Agency cut demand forecasts on signs that the global economic recovery is slowing down. Crude oil was trading at the level of 92.87 last Friday, a decrease of minus 0.52%. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all of your online trading needs. UFX Markets, I'm Martin Smith. Good luck and happy trading.